going first. What's the bet? What's the bet, Grinder? Go. $8.24. Are you bullied?
Eric, go pay for it! What are you doing? How do you walk away?
Grinder's so mad.
Go pay for the movies! He's the favorite!
Here we got the second.
Watch out.
Uh-oh. That could have been a killer.
Why you gotta get so mad?
Uh-oh.
Beat him! Like 1 point. Like 1 point. That's on video. Wow.
The freaking movie started already.
All right, we're making a movie. This is better than the movie. Yeah, go for it. Yeah. Woo, loser.
Patron on. I swear to God, I thought it was gonna be a tie, and they were gonna do it again. That's pretty funny.
Wow, it's rigged, Donny. Donny. Wow, Donny, what do you got to say?
That's a bad beat.
That is a bad beat. What do you got to say, Grinder?
Sorry, tough vote, Donny. I just broke him.
You think it was the back? All right.
Grinder, answer this question. If Hyder's not in the bet, does that mean that we gotta pay because he got the second?
I know it's maybe Ewing and Hyder should go for the fucking
Yeah.
Hey, he went from the doodle to the boxing. That's messed